His portrait fades and his memory's gone. Earthquake cracked his tower of stone. His voice still echoes, charge on, charge on. God bless America with her son, George Washington. Taxes enslaved the colonies. Men who lived and died to be free fought the iron fist of tyranny with liberty. God bless America, her son, George Washington. No surrender and no retreat. First in war and first in peace. Father, soldier and a citizen, gave his soul to God, his heart to his countrymen. Bullets flew from out of sight. Heaven chose to spare his life as soldiers bled and horses fell. Led his men through the gates of hell, from Valley Forge to Yorktown roar. Found a country and won the war. Amen, amen. No surrender and no retreat. First in war and first in peace. Father and a soldier and a citizen, gave his soul to God and his heart to his countrymen. When the war was finally won, glory came to Washington. Refused the crown and took a vow. So help me God was his vow. From Lady Liberty to the California sun, we keep looking for another one. We'll find our hope back where we started from. May God bless America with another George Washington. And give your soul to God and your heart to your countrymen.